Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your SereneLife portable air conditioner is displaying an E4 error code, the unit may stop cooling properly or refuse to operate until the issue is addressed. Depending on the model, an E4 code is often associated with water collection, drainage concerns, or sensor related conditions that require attention before normal operation can continue. The good part is that many E4 error situations can be investigated with a few simple checks at home. Before assuming the unit needs repairs, it's worth going through several basic troubleshooting steps that may clear the error and restore cooling performance. In this video, I'll walk you through a few things you can try. Try these. Step 1. Drain collected water from the SereneLife portable air conditioner. Step 2. Check the drain opening on the SereneLife portable air conditioner. Step 3. Remove any blockage from the SereneLife portable air conditioner drainage path. Step 4. Make sure the SereneLife portable air conditioner is standing level. Step 5. Restart the SereneLife portable air conditioner after draining. Step 6. Verify the E4 code clears on the SereneLife portable air conditioner.